This is the one season where we willfully go through massive guilt for eating too many sweets. For us, it begins with Durga Puja, continues and goes into a peak at Kali Puja or Diwali, and then there is Bhai Phota also just 2 days after. And then with the weather getting so much better, to be honest, the baking season also starts and it will continue till Jan end, I reckon. Welcome to Cook with Pictionama. I'm Madhushri.
I am Anindya. Hopefully by now you have seen how our 8-year-old son Dugga had made those cake pops. Today we are going to make one of the easy recipes for Diwali mithai. It will not take much of a time and it will only need 4 ingredients. We can call it
Well, it is chocolate Badam Burfi, but we can also call it chocolate Almond Fudge. It's very easy, and without much talking about it, I think we should get on with the recipe.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment. And
Too much of chaos happening behind, guys. Sorry about that.
but yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also share the video.
The 4 ingredients that we need, the first and most important is almonds. I've got half a cup of almonds over here. This is about half a cup and 1 tablespoon extra of condensed milk. This is key to making a good burfi or a good fudge. This is about 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use 1.5 tablespoons of butter as well. And the chocolate. So I've got Amul chocolate. No, this is not a sponsored post. It's just I like to use Amul chocolate in a lot of my cooking. And I've got 50 grams of milk chocolate and I've got 150 grams of dark chocolate. The first thing that we'll do is roast the almonds. Simply over medium heat, not too high heat. Just roast it very lightly, not too much. It should not get burnt, but just enough that we can grind it nicely and it's little crunchy. You can see that it is now changing color a little bit, and I think I will stop at this point of time or else it will get burnt. I will just turn off the gas and take this thing out. Transfer this to a bowl and let it cool down completely. Once it cools down completely, then we will grind this. So this is how I have ground it. Basically, I've pulsed it a couple of times or 2-3 times in the grinder. So it's a little coarse kind of a almond meal. It's not a very fine powdery kinds, and there are few bits and pieces which are, broken, which is absolutely fine and which is exactly what we need. I've chopped up the chocolate into small pieces and I'm adding both the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate into a pan. Keep the heat at a minimum. I'll also add 2 tablespoons of butter to this. And let this gently melt with the chocolate. You can use any combination of chocolate for this. It can be completely of dark chocolate. It can be a combination of bitter, really bitter dark chocolate and a light dark chocolate, or it can be completely milk chocolate only. It's just as per your choice how you would like the burfi to be. You can see that the chocolate is almost melting. So I'm going to add the condensed milk at this point of time. Incorporate the condensed milk with the chocolate. Let all the chocolate bits melt completely and keep the heat absolutely low. Scrape the bottoms, otherwise it might stick, so just scrape the bottoms. Now you can see it's completely melted. At this point of time, I'm going to add the almonds. And again, mix it all up. It's that simple. This is almost done. Now you can keep this very fudgy and soft like this also, or if you want to make it into a hard burfi, you have to cook it maybe for another couple of minutes, and as you will see the oil leaving or the butter leaving on the sides, just turn off the gas and let it cool down. Now take any square dish, a baking dish or any glass or steel, any container. This is a 7 by 7 inch square dish. You can either grease it completely with butter or just like I have done, I have used a baking paper, a parchment paper, and I've kept two sides, two little ears so that I can pull it out later. Now transfer this fudge into this. And just level this. You've got to leave this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours for it to set, and once it sets you can take it out and cut it into square pieces. This is coming out of the refrigerator for after 2 hours and it has set properly. And you can serve these as it is. Look how beautiful they are. It's got the goodness of so much of almonds. Kids will absolutely love this and grown-ups too. Hope you all enjoyed the recipe and wish you all a great Diwali.
From hours to years, have a great Diwali.
Have a safe Diwali.
Festivities, have a safe Diwali. And let's spread happiness and joy.
And don't burst crackers. No.
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!
Happy Diwali!